Creative thinking. Nike's Just Do It campaign is a classic example of a creative advertisement. Instead of simply promoting the features of their products, Nike created a campaign that speaks to the emotions and aspirations of their target audience, the athletes and the fitness enthusiasts. The campaign has been so successful that it has become a cultural phenomenon, inspiring people beyond the realm of athletics to pursue their dreams and take action towards their goals. Let's see what is creative thinking. Before going to the details, please remember to subscribe this channel, do watch other videos in the channel and share it with students and those who love learning psychology. Thank you. What is creative thinking? It is a type of thinking which is marked by the production of novel and original ideas or solutions to problems. Creative thinking is also known as lateral thinking. Creative thinking is when someone is able to produce a vast amount of ideas and put them together in a way that may differ from someone else. Creative thinker often thinks outside the box and beyond the standard level of problem solving. A person that is creative can make something new out of previous thoughts, things, or ideas. Creativity is the tendency to solve problems or create new things in novel ways. The expression of creativity is attributed to heredity and environment. Two of the primary components of the creativity includes originality. The idea should be something new, that is not simply an extension of something else that already exists, but it should be something new. Then functionality. The idea needs to actually work or possess some degree of usefulness. It should be functional. It should be useful to somebody. That is, it should work. For example, one of the famous example of the creative thinking is the story of how Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. He was inspired by the idea of the telegraph, which used electrical signals to send messages. But he wanted to find a way to transmit the actual sound of the human voice. Alexander Graham Bell's creative thinking led to a groundbreaking invention that transformed communication and had a significant impact on the world. So that much impact a creative thinking can make. Let's see the types of creativity. Experts tend to distinguish between different types of creativity. The 4C model of creativity suggests that there are 4 different types of creativity. First one, mini C. Here the creativity involves personally meaningful ideas and insights that are known only to the self. Examples of mini C creativity include coming up with a new recipe using ingredients on hand, or repurposing old items to create something new, such as turning an old t-shirt into a tote bag. Then little c. Creativity involves mostly everyday thinking and problem solving. This type of creativity helps people solve everyday problems they face and adapt to changing environments. Examples include writing a new song using familiar chord progressions, then painting a landscape in a unique style, or designing a new clothing using existing fashion trends. Third is Pro C. The creativity takes place among professionals who are skilled and creative in their respective fields. These individuals are creative in their profession but do not achieve eminence for their works. For example, the prosy creativity includes inventing a new technology, developing a new medical treatment, or designing a new building or architectural structure. Finally, the big C. The creativity involves creating works and ideas that are considered great in a particular field. This type of creativity leads to eminence and acclaim and often leads to world-changing creations such as medical innovations, for example, robotic surgery, then technological advances and artistic achievements. The examples of Big C creativity include works of art that have become iconic, then scientific breakthroughs that change the way we understand the world, or revolutionary inventions that transform the way we live our lives. So these are the 4 C's or types of creativity. Usefulness of creative thinking. Creative thinking can be useful in many aspects of daily life. First one, problem solving. Creative thinking can help you come up with innovative solutions to problems that you encounter in your daily life, such as how to manage your time more effectively or how to solve a conflict with a friend, etc. It allows you to break out of the usual patterns of thinking and explore new possibilities that can lead to success. Then, decision making. Creative thinking can help you think outside of the box and consider alternative options when making decisions, allowing you to make more informed and thoughtful choices. It allows you to break out of the usual decision-making pattern and consider new and innovative solutions that can lead to a better outcome. Then personal growth. The creative thinking can help you explore new ideas and perspectives, which can lead to personal growth and development. It can help you learn more about yourself and your values and help you identify new goals and aspirations. You are able to explore new possibilities and push yourself out of your comfort zone with creative thinking. Artistic expression. Creative thinking can be applied to artistic pursuits such as writing, painting, or music, allowing you to express yourself in new and innovative ways. You might also try exploring new themes or subject matter that you haven't worked with before. Then collaborate with other artists, attending art exhibitions or art fairs, etc. Then innovation. Creative thinking can be applied to entrepreneurship or business to develop new products, services, or solutions that can improve people's life. It helps explore new market or customer segments that you haven't targeted before. You might also consider partnering with other companies or organizations to create new products or services that can benefit both the parties. Then communication. Creative thinking can help you communicate more effectively by allowing you to find new and creative ways to express your ideas or convey your message. For example, you might try using analogies or metaphors to help simplify complex ideas and make them more relatable and understandable to your audience. You might use visual aids such as diagrams or infographics to help illustrate your points and make them more memorable. Then, personal enjoyment. The creative thinking can be enjoyable in and of itself. It allows you to explore new ideas and perspectives and can provide a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. For example, you might try taking up a new hobby or activity that you have always been interested in but haven't had the time or opportunity to pursue. This could be something like learning to play an instrument, taking a dance class, or trying out a new sport or outdoor activity. Another approach could be to explore new and unfamiliar environments, such as traveling to a new place or trying out a new restaurant or cafe. So, these are certain usefulness of creative thinking. Let's have a quick recap on what we have learned. We have learned creative thinking, the definition, various types of creative thinking, and the usefulness of creative thinking in our daily life. In the coming video, we will learn the nature of creative thinking. Hope you liked this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you and keep smiling.